What's up, you guys? This week we are in Washington. I'm gonna get ready really quickly and then we're gonna start our day of work. Felix and I already went out, got our coffee, and we are gonna go visit my parents soon. So we only have about 4 hours to work, but you can get a lot done in 4 hours, and that is my goal. So this day is not done yet. I'm just getting started. Let's get ready, and from there I'll explain to you guys what I'm doing today. Felix is in here doing his work. He's sketching. This is what he's doing to prepare for his next video. Right now we're visiting his brother, and so we're staying downstairs, but that is not stopping us from working. Excuse our mess, but this is Felix's setup here. He paints right there while we're visiting, and then I usually work here or right there. What did you say?
So I have this idea. I want to create like a landscape, but also make it like kind of playful and like a cartoony type. So I'm gonna add realistic view, but then on top is gonna be a layer of like lines and fake cartoony lines, you know, kind of both. Kind of like this one right here. And I wanna, with the river, the way I did that, you know, kind of want to do that.
So what were you asking about?
So what do you think? Do you think this would look interesting with the ocean and river like this?
Yes. I love it. I love that style.
Look at these guys I drew. Look.
What did you say?
Look at these guys I drew.
So right now we're here visiting our family in Washington, and I actually was not even planning to record a video while we were here. We've been here for a few weeks. I think we're gonna be here a few more weeks, but I think that taking action and staying consistent is just so important, especially if you're trying to build something. And I just remembered today that my goal by the end of the year is to hit 10,000 followers here on YouTube. I'm already at 6,100 and I've barely been consistent. I've been trying, but I need to stay consistent. So that's why I'm creating this video. And I also kind of just want to do it as like an accountability thing, because it helps me to share what I'm doing in the day and also giving you guys an inside look at what we're doing with our business. So I want to share with you guys my plans for the day, and then we're going to get to work. So this is my day. We are a little bit behind today. Got a later start, which is something that I want to work on as well. But first thing I'm going to be doing is reviewing some business videos. I've been working with someone else who's a business owner. He gave me some feedback on my business, and actually I'm giving him some feedback on his social media. So we're doing kind of like a collaboration in that way, which super consistent with TikTok for probably 2 months straight. And my account finally started to grow. And then I stopped posting. This is just because I realized that I didn't have any offers in place yet. And so I was kind of just posting, and I realized, why am I posting right now when I really need to get my foundation set? Because I've been focused so much on helping Felix with his business that I haven't really been able to work on my own business. And so I was working on getting my course set up. I was working on getting my masterclass set up. And now that that's set up, I feel like I can really focus on my social media. So that's what I also recommend to you guys. It's kind of like, think about what you want long-term for your business before you start spending a ton of time investing in social media and content creation, because otherwise you're putting all this effort in and you don't even really know where to focus. So, as I was saying, now that my course is ready to go, I'm going to start focusing more on my social media again. And after that, we have some ads running. I'm going to walk you guys through those and share a little bit about what we're doing with ads. Then we're going to go visit my parents' house. So these are the things that I really want to get done, at least before we visit my parents. There's some other like little tasks, which are secondary tasks, like paying my brother who works with us in our warehouse where they hold our inventory. There's some other little notes here that I need to do, and I need to talk with our team. So it's a Monday, and I actually really love Mondays. For me, it's like super exciting because I get to work on our business. There's always something new to do each week, and I that's why I've really come to enjoy Mondays. One reason why I don't really love Mondays is because it kind of can be overwhelming, because after the weekend, people come back to work and they're asking me a bunch of questions and stuff like that. But something that I do is I try not to look at any emails or messages unless it's in one of my top tasks until I finish my top tasks. Once I finish those tasks, I can then respond to emails, respond to things that are super urgent, because otherwise it just stresses me out, and then I end up not getting anything done that actually will move the needle in our business. So it's really important for me to move those big rocks at the beginning of the day to get all the very important things done. And then once I get those things done, I can focus on the other little things that need my attention. So let's get our day going now. Okay, so I'm watching the feedback of our business from one of, I guess I'll call him my mentor. So I just started working with him. I've never had a mentor before, and I highly recommend it. So just watching this video, it's so crazy to see like what someone else, their feedback can do, and especially someone that's in the same similar type of field as you, or doing something similar to what you're doing. So the way that I found the mentor that I'm working with, he actually works with my mom and she connected us, but basically I offered to help him with something that he needed help with, and in order to get his help with our business as well. So I highly suggest, if you're looking for a mentor, find someone online that's doing something similar to what you're doing that could help you grow, and offer to add value to their life, and in exchange for that, they will also help you. So I think just from what I've seen so far, it's so important, and I'm learning so much just from doing this already. Another reason why this is super important is because, at least for me, running an online business, first of all, it takes so much time and energy that a lot of times it can be hard, or it can be a struggle to find people that are doing something similar, or even get out of the house much, because you're constantly like working on your business. And so it's really important to find people that you can get around who are at the next level or doing something similar that can encourage you and also help you get to that next level. So I just got done watching the video from my mentor, and it was amazing, super inspiring, made me want to do more and also see the possibilities for our business. It also helped me see a lot of weaknesses in our business that I think can be fixed. So I'm really excited about this. I have a lot of like feedback and stuff to give him, but I only have about 2 hours left of our work time. So I'm gonna save all of that for tomorrow because I know I need like to set aside a block of time to actually focus on this, to give him some feedback on his social media and also my business after he had some questions. So I'm gonna move to my next task, which is reviewing our Facebook ads. But in the meantime, sometimes this happens, I try to not focus on my team messages yet unless it's something super urgent. And so one of my team members, she messaged me in the middle of transitioning to my next project, and she was saying, hey, we need to get this payment going for our inventory, and basically we are waiting on this tax exemption form because I had to submit that last week. So there's a delay in our inventory payment. And then after that, we had some issues with our warehouse and shipping services. So this is why physical products are such a pain in the butt, to be honest. It's a part of our business, but it's not my favorite part because there's all these little issues that happen to come up, and it makes me need a coffee break. Basically, I think sometimes in business, you just need to decide when something is more hassle than it's worth. And that's kind of what I've been dealing with this one shipping service provider, and so I just decided to remove them altogether because we're having so many issues. It's taking time out of my day, things that I need to be pushing forward with our business, and this is just one of those like headache things, and it's not really worth my time. So I think we just need to keep things as simple as possible, as easy as possible. And that's also why I'm recording on my iPhone, to be honest, because I know if I have to set up my camera and do all this stuff, like it's not gonna get done. So at the end of the day, you need to just focus on doing the things that you can get done quickly and efficiently. Now we are moving on to our Facebook ads. I'm gonna review those quickly, make sure that they're profitable today, see any changes, or basically see what the data is telling me and changes that need to be made. Okay, we did it. We finished our work for the day and we are going to my parents' house now. Felix has his popcorn and he's ready for a road trip. So I didn't finish every little thing on my list, but I got the main important things done. Felix finished a whole painting and making a video he's gonna edit while we're in the car. And that's how we roll. We do things what we can and we get the most out of our days as possible.
This is the piece, the vision.
Let's see what he was working on today.
I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I have to show it this way.
It's a little glary, but that's what Felix got done today. Productive day, yes or no?
Oh yeah. Yep. Whenever a painting is done and the video is edited, that's a very good day.
So we got a ton of work done in like 4 hours. So that just shows you guys that you can get a lot out of each day.
I just got done with everything, so we are going to
What did you get done?
Editing the video and posting all of that.
For Facebook and Instagram. So he got that done in the car. And now we are going to my parents' house. We're actually going to surprise my grandma. She doesn't know we're coming. We came all the way from Puerto Rico. So we just arrived at their house and I can't wait to see her.
Have a good dinner, guys.
It's a beautiful day today in the Pacific Northwest. So of course, I had to go for a little run, listening to a podcast. And today I'm up around 7:30. We went to bed kind of late because we've been visiting with family lately, but my goal is to get up even earlier and just get a good start to my day. I love to exercise because it gives me energy for the day. Whether it's running or doing a workout with weights, whatever I can do to get pumped up for the day and get me excited to get some work done and be productive. So today I'm gonna be reviewing my mentor's videos and giving feedback again. After this, gonna read my book and get the day going. I think a lot of people wonder about like morning routines and stuff, but for me it's more important just to get my day started as quickly as possible. There's a few things that I always like to do, which is start out by reading and praying reading my Bible and praying, and then exercise of some sort, a little bit of reading, and breakfast, my morning. What's up, everyone? So today it is a new day. I didn't really get to record much yesterday because I was in focus mode, but what I got done yesterday is I spent about 4 hours working on a chart for my mentor because I'm going to be actually helping him develop his social media platforms, and I'm thinking to maybe actually create an agency of my own. So that's kind of like a side project I'm working on. That's what I worked on yesterday. And as I told you, I have a mentor. I'm trading my time to help him with his social media for some advice on our business to help us kind of grow in our business. So that's what I spent a lot of my time doing yesterday. And today I'm going to continue going over some of the notes he sent me. I got a course sale today, which is so exciting. I can't believe it. I'm also just like amazed and so excited to be helping people with art business and that people would trust me to help them. It's just so amazing to me. So today I have a pretty busy day. I am finishing up some work for my mentor, also working on applying some of the things that he suggested for our business. I'm going to be reviewing our Facebook ads and making any adjustments there that need to be made. And then finally, I am going to be preparing because tomorrow I'm doing a live with our Freedom to Create Facebook group, and I'm gonna be sharing some of the things I've been learning in our business and give any pointers and tips to the group that they need. So that's my day today. I also have a meeting with my manager tomorrow. She's someone that helps me. She's not my manager, but I hired a manager for our team to kind of take on some of the daily tasks that I was doing and kind of help take the load off of me so I can be more focused on the moving our business forward, dreaming, planning, envisioning what is the future of Color by Felix. That is my role and what I enjoy doing. So that is my day today. Let's see what we can get done. I'm not quite sure how long this vlog is gonna be, but I think I'm gonna try and get the clips to the editor by tomorrow and try to be more consistent with these videos. So let me know if you guys are enjoying these. Give this a thumbs up if you are so far. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're enjoying, if you've learned anything from this so far, and I'll try and create more of these. So today, I think it's the last day of this vlog. I know I said that yesterday, but today is the final day. I needed a few more clips. I just got done having a meeting with our Freedom to Create art business group on Facebook. They are members of my Freedom to Create course, and I was just sharing with them all the things that I've been learning lately in my business, in growing Color by Felix, and the things that we've been implementing, what has been working well for us. We're also doing an art auction soon, and we're going to include all of my students from Freedom to Create in that. We promote it to our email list. So I just got done with that, and now I have one more meeting with our project manager. She is going to be helping me on a few projects, so I'm meeting with her probably for the next 30 minutes, and hopefully today I will get these clips to be edited. Oh, and we have one podcast. We had a guest that canceled at the last minute, so we're going to be doing a podcast just with our family today, and that is my schedule for today. It is a beautiful day today. We have about 30 minutes before our podcast starts to record, so Felix and I came out for a walk.
And we couldn't resist.
Because it's finally sunny in Seattle.
Yeah.
So cheers to
Even
that.
if it's 10 minutes, it's good for us.
And what else are you doing today after the podcast?
I finished editing, and after the podcast,
Are you done?
I might sketch some more, plan for my next project.
Okay. So that was a little peek into our week. And next week we're actually going camping. So we're trying to get prepped as much as possible. Felix will probably keep posting on Facebook Reels while we're gone. But that's pretty much everything. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Peace.
And let me know if you have questions for the next videos. Bye.